Some of you might be wondering, how do you grow green onions or spring onions? Basically, you have to let it grow and grow and grow and grow until it gets to this point. So these are not ready yet, but you can see it's still green. But you have to wait till they get to this point where you can see there's no green in there, and it's these little black seeds. So you just want to take a bag or something and just shake them out, and then they all fall down. And you collect a bunch of them, take them to your favorite planting space, and in a little while you'll have fresh green onions. That's it. It's as easy as it gets.